Good morning and welcome. We'll start off. It's the 28th of April and it's just after 9 o'clock. So London's been open for about an hour, and we've got the AUD USD up first. I've re-entered that short. We're below the 75 line, which is now acting as resistance, and we're below the 50 on the RSI. I'll put a trend line in here. So really with the fundamentals, this pair should continue on down. Euro JPY, we're still pretty much where we were yesterday. The RSI is below the 69.1. It hasn't broken the trend line. And the stochastic is at the top of the range there. I'm expecting this gap to close for it to short. Euro USD, same thing basically. We've broken the trend line. We're well below the 69.1. Stochastic is at the top and kind of pointing down, although we've had a bit of a rise up this morning. And we've got good resistance just above it at 109, which is a nice big round number. So we'll see what happens with that today. Euro New Zealand dollar, we have crossed the trend line. It started to look like it was going down, and we've had a little bit more strength today. So it has for the last 2 days. It's stayed about where it is. Not much more good news, I don't think, for the euro. Pound AUD. This is continuing up. We're above the 69.1 on the RSI. I've put a trend line in. Unless it falls below that, basically it's just going to continue up. I'm going to include the pound USD today. That's the pound dollar. I've put a trend line on the RSI, and we're above 69.1. As long as it remains above 69.1, basically it's going up, it's longing. I would never short this. At the moment I'm long this pair. I believe it might have a short breather and just pop back down somewhere around here, 1.26. But that is not a trade that I would take, because it's very risky in my opinion. And here we come. This is the AUD CAD. Little bit of a reprieve. It's tried to short the last few days, but we're going back up. I believe it's oil prices that are doing that. The oil price actually gone back up. So hopefully we should see it short a bit more today. Silver, this has had a nice run down. I've got a green candle on today. I've bought my stop loss for both trades down here, so I'm quite happy that's going to continue down. We're at the bottom on the RSI here, but it looks like it's going to cross the trend line. I'll keep my eye on it, see what happens later on today. USD JPY. It's getting tired about where it is. It hasn't quite made the 112. I don't think it's going to make it now. It looks like it's going to turn around, so we'll see what happens with that. And this is the USD Mexican peso. I've put trend lines on. I've put a trend line on the RSI. We're above the 50 on the RSI, and I think this is just going along now. I just hopefully we're going to get back up to, this is the first really big resistance line in my opinion. It's the virtually the 20, which obviously is like a big round number. Woo. So there we go. USD CAD still going up. I put the trend line on the RSI. Um, there's a lot of strength now in the dollar, and weakness in the CAD, so that's been a really good move. And we're seeing a bit of strength back into the oil. I don't know how long that will last, but we have got quite a bit of support here at this level. It keeps trying to break that down and keeps getting pushed back up. I don't know who's buying that at the moment, but it could do anything. The long term, I think it's going down, but in the short term, we might see that pop up a little bit. So if it does, I will short it. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for the subscriptions and the likes, and hopefully see you tomorrow. I'll be doing the Commitment of Traders report. That's out tonight, so I'll do that tomorrow morning, and see how we get on from there. Thank you. Bye now.